Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this episode we will be learning how to restore purchases in snake.io. To restore your purchases on snake.io, first of all, launch open snake.io application like you normally do, and from the homepage of snake.io, click on the gear icon at the top left corner. This will open up other settings menu where you'll need to look for Restore Purchases button on the bottom right. Tap on it and then click on Yes, and this will remove all the ads and all the snakes. Simply click Yes in order to confirm and you'll be able to restore your purchases. So that is how you should be able to see all of your purchase item restored. If something doesn't appear, double check your account or contact the game's support with your purchase receipt. So that's how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.